Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Mitsubishi Mirage ES, stock reference number 5638. The shape runs from the 12th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has a 3A92 1.2 litre 3-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 3A92 1.3 litre, 1.2 litre 3-cylinder turbo, 3-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left power door mirror, left front door has no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 14-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right hand tail light, right rear 14-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has no damage, and a right front 14-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, auto console, auto gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio buttons.